Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the shovelhead. We got to a point where we needed to do a bunch of little things to it that were not very interesting, and we didn't want to bore you guys on camera with it. So we spent a couple days, got caught up to where we are. This week we're trying something new. We're going to put out this little headlight review video for you. We're thinking about doing these a little more often, maybe drop them mid-weeks when we can. Leave down in the comments what you think about it and let us know. Today we're going to be doing a quick install and review of this MOVOTOR headlight that we bought off Amazon. This headlight is a very basic setup. It comes with all the brackets you need to mount to the front forks of your motorcycle. We're going to be running it on our shovelhead project, which we'll have to make mounts for. But in this video, for the purpose of this video, we're going to mount it on my FXRT to give you guys an idea of how easy it is to set up. We're going to start with the brackets that go around your fork tubes. It's real simple. It's got 3 notches in there to go from anywhere from 1 3/8 to 1 5/8, I believe. And it just wrap around like so. Do one at a time. Then you hook the hook in around the back. You squeeze it. Pick your setting. This is too far away. That's the first one. You're still in the first one. That's the last one, which you can see is too far apart. And the middle one, which is going to be where we want to be. So I'm going to grab the bolt, run it through here, do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to leave everything loose, get our headlight in, and then we can tighten everything down. Your old headlight should have a plug that looks like this. My FXRT does not. Well, it does, but it's in the fairing. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to use this plug and just jump the power to it. It just plugs into here like so. This red wire actually illuminates red LED background for parking lights. We'll power that up just so you guys can see it later, but you put that to a switch somewhere on your bike. Now, these are adjustable. You just move them in and out to where your headlight's going to be. You can leave everything loose so you can center it up after. Right here. You want to hold this? Take that one. Get yours in first. So you can adjust it, you move the clamps up and down wherever you want it. Then you just tighten everything up and the headlight's installed. Now that we've got the headlight installed, I'm just going to show you guys quickly how bright it is. I believe this one here is your low beam, high beam, and then your red running lights. That's pretty bright. It's not the cheapest headlight on Amazon, but it's definitely not the most expensive. Compared to the truck lights like I have in my Softail, they're about half the price. But I don't see much difference in brightness. It's definitely way better than a stock headlight. There is a couple things that I do recommend changing if you're going to do this headlight. The first one would be, if you can, put a piece of rubber around your fork tubes here in between this clamp. It just holds it into place better. It'll give you more of a clamping and less likely to move around. The second one would be to put a washer in here. It doesn't come with one, but I would definitely run one. And definitely, if you're doing this install, Loctite everything. Couple things to add. This headlight does say it's DOT approved. It does seem like it's built fairly well. It's fairly heavy, and I'm sure it's made in China, but I'm pretty happy with the quality of it. We're going to be mounting it onto our shovelhead project. So if you guys want to see how we made custom mounts instead of these mounts here to put it on a Springer front end, go check out that video. The link will be in the description. That'll be it for today. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.